you may want to take an ink marker just to help you identify them later. Do the same on the top wing. With the bottom wing in place, no pocket knife is printed on the bottom wing. You may, and again, when you slide this in, you may want to just round off these edges on the tabs. When I put a drop of CA for the bottom wing, I'm going to assemble it just like I did the fuselage, with a drop every inch or so. Don't put a drop of glue at the very front of the wing, both the top and the bottom wing. That's where the carbon's going to slide through, and we don't want that CA there to impede us poking the carbon through. So start off about I'd say about a half an inch back, and then put it every inch after that. Both sides. Get down and sight it. Make sure that it's 90 degrees to the wing is fuselage is 90 degrees to fuselage before you accelerate her. It's good. Next, I'm going to install the cabane struts. Okay, the print always goes on the outside with these. Black is on the bottom. It's just like the fuselage. If you were to line this up to the fuselage, you'll see it's the same color pattern. So you want the widest part of the black goes to the back. This rounded edge on the bottom and to the back. Just like so. If you try to put it on backwards, you'll see that it covers up the aileron and it wouldn't work. So definitely like so. Again, we may need to just round these off. Both top and bottom of the cabane strut, both sides. Pinch it. If I missed cutting the tape out where the slot goes, you may have to cut that out. I tried to remember that, but I miss them every once in a while. Move that little piece of tape. Again, just like everywhere else. About an inch. Maybe on this you want to go every half inch or so. And don't put any CA at the back on this one. At the center, it's at the front, you don't want the CA. At the cabane, it's at the back, you don't want the CA. The cabane struts will run from the front to the back. go ahead and pinch the tabs here for the top wing. We'll go ahead and install the top wing. It's like so. And at the cabane strut, you don't want to push down without supporting the cabane strut right at the very top. You want to put your hand underneath and support it. If you push down on the wing, you may end up cracking the cabane strut here in the middle. So again, pinch nice and flat. Support the cabane strut up high. Press the wing down right onto both sides. It's like so. Now we can go ahead and flip it over. And let's turn it around so that the rudder's hanging off the table and doesn't interfere. You can hold it down. Again, put your glue every ½ inch or so here, except at the very front. We'll do that later. Also on the cabanes, again, no CA at the back of the cabane. Of course, it doesn't hurt to put a little CA tabs going through here. The table. Now it's time to take your 030 by 14-inch carbon. There's 4 of them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to poke it through the tab here, just behind the tab, and about 1/8 of an inch starting on the left side of the wing for the